Welcome to From the Garden, where we share tips and techniques to make your garden more successful. So let's learn more so we can grow more. We will focus on tools used in and around the garden. When it comes to gardening, having the right tools can make the difference between an easy job and a difficult one. The garden rake. This long-handled tool with prongs or teeth that angle down is used in many ways. With the prongs down, it collects and removes weeds and leaves from the garden. Also, with the prongs down, it can be used to spread soil to areas where needed. To level and smooth out soil, simply flip the rake over with the prongs facing up and the flat portion touching the ground. Gently glide the back of the rake over the soil to create a smooth, even surface. The garden hoe. This long-handled tool with an angled blade is used to break up clumps of soil. Simply use the blade in the chopping motion to scrape or divide the soil you are working on. This technique works well when weeding also. The hand cultivator. This short-handled tool with prongs looks something like a fork. This tool, like the rake, can be used to smooth out soil and remove weeds. Being smaller, we usually use this tool in compact areas prior to planting or to maintain a tidy garden. The hand trowel. This short-handled tool with a shovel-type blade is used to dig small holes for transplanting and to break up small areas of soil. The shovel. This long-handled tool with a scoop-like blade is used to turn over soil, dig holes, and remove large weeds. You can place your foot at the top of the blade to drive it into the ground. When watering our garden, we usually use a watering can or a garden hose. Watering can is used to hand water seeds, seedlings, and transplants. The garden hose is a tool used to provide water to larger areas of the garden. The LSU AgCenter offers SNAP-Ed nutrition education programs. For more information on SNAP-Ed programs near you, contact Jessica Randazza with the LSU AgCenter in St. Mary and St. Martin parishes.